Now let's take a more detailed look at how to send your Amazon orders to their fulfillment centers using 2Ship. You can sign up by putting in your personal email or your company email. Create a password, confirm your password. You can choose your own. Next, put in your company credentials. Your company's name, and your address. Make sure it's the suburb, not the city. Include your province, as well as the postal code in the suburb where your company is located. This is where we'll be doing the collections. Finally, add your telephone number. Once you hit sign up, you'll get a confirmation from 2Ship that your registration was successful. We'll thank you and let you know that your information has been submitted. An email will be sent to the address you provided for validation. Now open that email. It's your Activate Your Account mail. If you ever forget your password, this is also where you'll be reminded of your username and password. All you need to do now is click Activate Account, and it will open 2Ship, where you can start configuring your profile. The orange tab on the right is where we'll configure your settings. Here, you can set up your wallet. This is what you'll use to pay for your shipments. You can also configure your shipping preferences, such as the type of label or alerts you'd like to receive. And you can schedule training, where the 2Ship team can walk you through anything you need help with. Your wallet is where you'll add your payment method. Just click Add New Profile, enter your credit or debit card details, and click Save. Once saved, your payment profile will be linked to your account, and any shipments you make will be charged to that card. You can also set up auto deposits or simply pay at checkout, whichever you prefer. Next, under Shipping Preferences, you can select options like what type of label printer you use, laser or thermal, and whether you'd like to receive alerts when your shipment is picked up or delivered. You can toggle these options on and off. If you need any assistance, our live help is available on the right-hand side in the green tab. Or you can schedule a training session directly through the configuration panel. We run multiple training sessions every day, so feel free to book a seat or connect with us live. Now that you've signed up and configured your wallet and preferences, it's time to ship. As you'll see, it's a simple 3-step wizard. Your company credentials will be automatically populated in the sender section. For the recipient, select either Amazon Cape Town or Amazon Johannesburg. Choose the fulfillment center assigned to you in Seller Central when you received your purchase order or FBA number. The mandatory fields are highlighted in red. You'll need to enter your weight, FBA number, PO number, and package dimensions. For example, one parcel measuring 1 by 1 by 1. Enter your FBA number as shown in Seller Central and your purchase order number as well. You can also add multiple package types by using the Add Package option in the top right corner. For example, 5 of one size and 3 of another. Once complete, click Next to see your rates. You'll notice your discounted price is just 10% of the full price. If you're shipping larger palletized freight that isn't suitable for standard couriers, a freight carrier such as Laser Logistics will be automatically assigned. Again, you'll only pay 10%, since 90% is subsidized by Amazon. Let's go back and ship a regular parcel to show you how it works. We'll take a small parcel and move to the next screen to choose a carrier. Here you'll see DPD and the courier guy. Select one. In this case, DPD. You'll see the price breakdown. We're paying 5 Rand 49 cents, which is 10% of the normal rate of 54 Rand 87 cents. Once you're ready, click Ship. An automated collection will be scheduled in our system. You don't need to call the carrier. They'll know to come collect automatically. The label you receive is the carrier's label. Print it and attach it to your cartons. Just be sure not to cover your FBA labels. Your payment receipt will show the 10% you paid deducted from your wallet. And again, if you need help, our live chat is available on the right-hand side. Our support team is standing by and ready to assist. Your Current Shipments tab shows all shipments you've sent today. Under Shipping Lists, you'll see your orders, labels, receipts, and tracking links, all in one place. If you want to edit or delete anything, this is where you can do it. And if you need help your first time, just open Live Help. We'll walk you through it. You can also check your shipment history for any date range. For example, the last week or the last 30 days, to view all shipments made during that period. Each record includes tracking status, tracking link, and delivery confirmation. You'll always know exactly where your parcels are, from pickup to delivery at the Amazon Fulfillment Center. And here's your live online help again. It's real, it's live, and it's connected directly to our professional support team. You can start a chat and ask any question, like, how do I ship? Where's my order history? How do I find my tracking? Our team will respond right away, and if needed, we can even jump on a call with you. Lastly, everyone who signs up will receive a welcome pack email. This includes this tutorial video, a downloadable user guide, and all our support contact details. You'll find our helpline numbers, the support email, support@2ship.com, our main website, www.2ship.com, telephone and live chat details. You'll also see a list of frequently asked questions, such as, where can I find my shipped orders? Under shipping lists, current shipments, or, can I link my online store to 2Ship? Yes, you can. Just reach out via our contact details, email us, or start a live chat, and we'll be happy to assist. Thank you for using 2Ship and Amazon. We're here to help make your shipping faster, easier, and smarter.